if somebody has sleep apnea, they should, their first solution, if they realize that they have sleep apnea, is to go to a pulmonologist and have the sleep test and be fitted for a CPAP. If that's not possible for them, then dentistry can provide an appliance that can help them out. Snoring basically is, if you take a water hose and you just turn it on a little bit and you squeeze the water hose, it sputters. That's basically what snoring is. You lay back, the back of your tongue falls back, collapses against your throat, and so your airway is blocked. Well, you get along for a little while, but then you wake up and you gasp and you snore. So if you can get an appliance that gets your lower jaw to come forward so that even when you lay back, there's an opening to the airway, that can resolve snoring. So it's just a matter of taking impressions, and there's various appliances that can be chosen from depending on the severity of the person's snoring habit and if whether or not the CPAP hasn't been a choice or is not currently available to them, that it can help resolve not only snoring but episodes of sleep apnea. There's options out there for helping to resolve snoring and sleep apnea from the dental approach.